What are you doing, Theo?
Making a peanut butter salad.
Can you show me how?
Get some peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
Pickles. And spread it around. Spread it around. Almost there. Then get some honey. Put it on top of the peanut butter and twist it up. That's how you make it.
Okay.
Almost there.
So, do you need more peanut butter?
There.
Or is that enough? Need more? No, don't do that. Put it on your bread. Put it on your bread. Theo. No, 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 no. It's supposed to go on your bread. Put it on your bread. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Alright, all done.
So that's not done.
But you're not doing it right. You're doing it like a monkey. Are you spreading on your hand now? Oh boy.
Spreading on the bread now.
Okay. Bye-bye.
No, give me back the peanut butter.
Okay, just a minute. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.